Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start our tutorial on installing speakers in your Lenovo Yoga, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. You will also need the new speakers compatible with your Lenovo Yoga model. 1. Power down and unplug *. First, make sure your laptop is completely powered down and unplugged from any power source. This prevents any electrical issues while you're working. 2. Remove the back cover * using your Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the screws securing the back cover of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. 3. Locate the speakers * with the back cover removed. Locate the existing speakers. They are typically situated on either side of the laptop's interior. Make sure to take note of how they are connected. 4. Disconnect the old speakers * identify the connectors of the old speakers. Gently pull them out from their sockets. If you're having trouble, double-check for any clips or latches that may be holding the connectors in place. If you feel uncertain about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. 5. Install the new speakers *. Take your new speakers and connect them to the same sockets from which you removed the old ones. Ensure that they are firmly connected. If you don't have the tools on hand, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service for a seamless experience. 6. Clean the interior * before reassembling your laptop. Take this opportunity to clean the interior. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the overall performance of your device. 7. Reattach the back cover *. Once the new speakers are installed and the interior is clean, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver to secure the screws you removed earlier. 8. Power on and test *. Plug your laptop back into the power source and power it on. Test the new speakers by playing some audio. Adjust the settings to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect before any work is done. By following these steps, you have successfully upgraded your Lenovo Yoga with new speakers. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.